And also, this is GPS tracker from cardot company. This is a new product in 2019. Open the box. This is manual, English manual GPS tracker. Okay. This is wires. Okay, wires. And this is majority GPS tracker. Open this cover. Insert ASM card inside this. This one. Fix ASM card in this snout. And then this one, this is APP. You can use APP, control the car, locate your car. This is APP. This one, GPS tracking information. GPS computer platform tracking. Okay. APP download. Search the keyword by eTrack in App Store or Google Store. APN set command. If you in your car you cannot locate your car, you need to set APN. This is APN command. Okay. Now let me show you GPS tracking functions. This is APP. I have finished download APP. GPS track APP. Click. Okay. Real-time tracking. Click. Yes. GPS offline. ACC off. This means status. Okay. Power connected. Okay. This is address Shenzhen Industry 0. Okay. Come back. Historic. Today, yesterday, a customer. You can choose. This is jail fence or fence alarm. If your car is out of this range, our system will make alarm. You will get an alarm notification. Jail fence. Okay. Come back. This one. You can add jail fence distance. You can set any distance you want. This setting. Cut oil. If you connect get a star relay to our system, you can cut off oil, restore oil. If you don't want to get a vibration alarm, you can press disarm. Disarm. Also, you can change the password. Change default password to any passwords you want. Okay. This one, device message. No message now. And this user information, you can use a custom name, username, contact number, your email address. Okay, fill in this empty column. Get back. And report. Our system will tell you about mileage parking report. How much mileage you are driving, and where did you park your car. Our system will tell you location. Okay. This alarm setting you can enable or disable by your preference, by your need, by your demand. You can do that by yourself. Okay, this is button. Login. Okay, off, on. Okay, vibration on and off, allow sound on and off, enable on and off, alarm setting. Next menu is logout. Okay, cancel. Message, monitor, list. List means you can use one app control more cars, more vehicles. You can control more vehicles by one app. In this app, there are 8 vehicles in one app. Okay. Monitor. You can monitor your car. Okay. Home. This is home page. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.